Hello. We have finished the basics of all the Matlab and we have finished one project, key infrastructures and all. Now, this is the time when we can start great learning the library browser and various library in thoroughly. Okay, so let's get start these two important library. One is source, another one is sync. Sync is used for the output processes. Here I have used the two important syncs which we used most of the time. One is display, another one is source. Source is like a scope is like a oscilloscope, how we can use in our engineering practicals and all these things. Same here also we can see the graphs in a scope. Okay, so in a we will see one by one. As everyone know, this is a constant and we use this in our previous basic course of MATLAB. Okay, now here, whatever value I want to change of the constant, I can change it from here with the constant value. Like if suppose I am applying here, if I want to see that that value should be passed as it is, then output should be 5 here. Okay, so the block of source constant we already know, and display also we already know, we have worked on that, but we will see some more properties of this. So display, if we click on a display, we have various like display formats where we can make it to display long, or if we want to make it to the short, or like binary only, or like hexadecimal only. In that way, what happen if I make it long? If suppose I am writing some value here, 0.0000055555, something I am writing here, apply. Okay, it's very big number. Okay, very big number I have given here. Okay, and if I want to see here this number, okay, I am taking one normal display and another one is long display, two displays connecting here to see the similarity. So here you can see here a normal display, it's shown only 5. But in the long display property, it's shown as a complete number. It's not a complete number as well, but it is concluded is 5555556. Okay, 0.5555526. This also we can change if we want to see the complete number, like long E can we apply, and we can see here, you can see now it's a 0.5555 E plus 00. In that way we can see numbers. Okay, so this is a clock we can find in a source where we can start time, stop time. If some operations we want to do, we can do with this clock. So currently my stop time is 10 and it is shown is here only. If I'm changing here from to like 5, apply. Okay, so you can see that my stop time, that this simulation time will be going to be changed. Okay, but that should be like a the name means it will, how many times it will be run, that things it should know as here. That. Okay, fine. Now RAM signal, like it's output of a RAM starting from the at a specific time. Means suppose if we have something, it is like starting initial condition 0, again it's have to pick up in that way. You can see in this image how it is going from starting it is 0, suddenly it's have some jump. In that way this signal is known as ramp signal. So you can see in this scope I have connected this signal, it is going from 0 to 10 in a ramp way. Okay, this thing is known as ramp. This is a pulse generator signal, where with that like some of the equation is that some phase delay is and with the pulse on and amplitude, some if else condition we are performing here. Once pulse type determined, the computation technique used, time is recommended for use with a variable step solver, while sample based is recommended for use with a fixed step solver or within a discrete portion of model using a variable step solver. So here you can see we have pulse type various time based and sample based. So time based is recommended for with variable step solver, and sample based is recommended for a fixed step solver. So what is a solver types we will learn in our next session also. Okay, so you can see here the external signal and what we have to use simulation signal. This is also, it is depend upon that what we are doing. Okay, and this is our amplitude for that pulse generator, pulse time, pulse width, pulse delay, and all. We can change it from here as well. I'm making it apply. Okay, no, I'll do it that control Z. We didn't want anything from external here. You want internal only. What we want, and you can see here the pulse is generated from at first step pulse is generated again 0. Okay, in that way it works. So here one is repeating sequence. So repeating sequence is like output a repeating sequence, a number specified in a table, okay, of time value pair. Value of time should be monetically increasing. Okay, so we have some time values and output values, and according to that, how it's monetically increasing. Okay, we can see here in this code we have 0 to 2, 0 to 2, and output is also in that way only, like 0 to 2, 0 to 2, 0 to 2. In that way it's a ramp only, and how it's going that waves, you can just understand this is format of one of the kind of wave. Okay, this is a repeating sequence where we can give anything from here in that sequential format. Okay.